I'm Dr. David Rowlands. I'm the Director of the Exercise Physiology and Biomechanics Lab at Massey University in Wellington, New Zealand. And I'm also the Principal Investigator in the aquametal projects that we're working with Fike & Company Limited. Okay, so we're interested in the effects of aquametal on sport performance, and so the first study we did a broad screen of the effect of aquatitan treated garments on running economy, running performance, joint range of motion, and muscle soreness and fatigue. And so what we found primarily is aquatitan treated garments improve joint range of motion or joint flexibility, and there may be a worthwhile benefit to performance that we'd like to map out further. So our current running hypothesis is that aquatitan treated garments and materials such as the tapes improve joint range of motion via by improved muscle tendon compliance. In a follow-up study, which is the current study, we're now investigating this hypothesis directly through tendon compliance and nervous system function. Well, so far from what we've seen so far, we see increased flexibility, and the mechanism may be through increased tendon compliance and leading to joint range of motion. We're also seeing response for increased performance of the sensory nervous system that may feed back to improved balance and coordination in movement and athletic events. Most surprising, I think actually all of it's surprising to me, but because initially we had no idea. We went in blind. We just screened it for anything that might impact on performance, and these were mainly based on customer anecdotes. But I think just the actual effects we're seeing are all surprising and actually very interesting scientifically. To have a metal compound impregnated in fabrics to have such apparent effects on nervous system function and function of the connective tissue and through muscle tendon complex is very surprising and also very interesting, and there may be some wide-reaching applications that we'd like to map out in the course of current and future research. We are, as I mentioned, we are really focusing on muscle tendon function at the moment, and my interest as a sports scientist is to advance compounds and interventions that may specifically be useful in providing worthwhile enhancements to performance. For sport, we all know that anything that can alter performance for even as much as 0.5% may be beneficial. It may increase the chance of winning a medal, or increasing your placing from third to second, or even up to first. Small effects matter. The challenge for us as scientists is to get our procedures and experimental designs right down to very, very precise, sensitive levels, highly reliable procedures, and to test enough subjects to make clear-cut effects. So that's our objective. Anecdotally, without the research to support it, athletes pick up things that work, and I started off the research skeptical and with an open mind, and now we're starting to see things emerge. So I think the research supports anecdotal practice. Okay, yeah, I first became interested just simply through an approach from the New Zealand distributor. He approached me, explained the benefits, and we did some preliminary trial and errors, preliminary trials, and followed it up from that. So yeah, an approach from the New Zealand distributor. Yeah, we're looking at running economy, and running economy is, after VO2 max, running economy is the key factor known to enhance long distance running performance. So we're independently following up on our initial observations for an average 2% improvement in running economy, and we're following that up.